Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the important settings regarding emojis and GIF on Google Keyboard. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So first, if you access to your Google Keyboard here, you will not find any emojis fast row. So how are you going to access it? If you want to have the fast emoji access row here just on top of the keyboard, all you need to do is to tap on the settings, and then you need to go to emoji, stickers and GIFs. You need to tap on that one, and here you can enable emoji fast access row. So once you do that, now I will go back to any chat to access the Gboard, and here, as you can see, the fast access row for emojis has been enabled. So this is one thing that I want to show, but if you tap on again the settings and you go to emoji and stickers, and here you say emojis in symbol keyboard, all you need to do is to enable this one. So now what it will do, if you type love, as you can see here, it will give you the emojis, and it will give you the words as well, the predictive words, but it can give you emojis regarding that word as well. So guys, these were some of the important settings of emojis in Google Keyboard. I hope you like it. If you do so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.